How's our babies? No. There's the green guy. Hey, buddy. Puppies. In 4 weeks, there's Blue. Who is this? Who is this? What, buddy? Oh, my. There's light purple and green.
Here's my girl. Here's my woman.
Hey, boo boy. Oh, boy. Hi, handsome. Are you handsome? Are you handsome? Huh? Where's the orange one? Where's my orange one? Oh, boy. Here, baby, there's Pink. Hey, Pinky. There she is. Oh, boy. There's the orange. Hi, buddy. There's 3 boys, 3 girls. Oh, boy. This is their first outing. And their daddy's a Bernese Mountain Dog, and their mom's a Newfoundland, a bronze Newfoundland, and they're called Bernewfies. Hi, buddy. You babysitting, Chisholm? Good boy. Hi, sweetie peas. Oh, boy. You gonna see them, Sienna? Give them kisses. There's their mom. Oh, boy.
All ready to go again. Oh, you little bums. You little bump bumps. Chisholm, come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, sleeping like babies.
You a fuzzy butt.
Sleeping like babies. There's the green guy. Oh, there's Blue boy. Hi, buddy. What, big guy? Oh, my goodness. What? You guys liking it out here? All tired. They're all tired, Sienna. They're all tired, Sienna. All right. Good girl. Oh, boy. Are you cute? Are you cute? Hi, baby. Oh, boy. Getting puppy kisses? Did I get some puppy kisses? Did they give me some puppy kisses? There's our little yellow girl. What, buddy? Oh, my goodness.
Oh, growling at you.
Oh, my goodness. All right, guys.
My baby boy. My baby boy.
Puppies. Puppies.